So this is a dashboard which has been created using a Streamline for my project 2, that is on vulnerability intelligent with asset based risk ranking. So here in this dashboard, there are three requirement inputs that has to be provided. The one is CMDB asset details, that means the organization asset details and their relationships. Means each asset relationship detail need to be provided here, as well as the vulnerabilities that has been identified based upon this asset. So as soon as these three inputs have been provided and running up this run pipeline, so this is how the enriched CV is going to state it. So stating that which particular server, what is the IP address, the CV that has been identified, and it also provides the CVSS scores too. So this particular dashboard does not stop for the CVSS score risk, but it also identify the EPSS, that is an exploit predictable index, as well as it also identify is there any active exploitation that is going on for this particular CV, and it also checks for the asset exposure and the criticality of it. So here is an asset exposure, whether it is an internal or an external, what is the criticality of this particular asset. It will be in the scale of 1 to 5, and then based upon all this factor it will going to calculate the risk score, and based upon the risk score it will going to provide you the risk ranking. So by looking into the risk ranking 1 2 3 4 5, here the organization can take a better decision which particular CV that need to be patched first, even though there is a difference in the CVSS score risk. So this gives a clear picture to the organization which particular CV they need to consider and need to be patched as early as possible. It not only just provides you this ranking point, it also maps to the MITRE attacks too. This is the asset risk and the attack path. So here what it will do is it will going to rank the asset risk rankings, means it will going to say that which is the most critical asset that need to be considered. So if you see here for this given data, there are three servers that has been used. So and in these three servers, one is an external exposure and the two are internal ones, and the criticalities are 442. uh, so here we can see that this, even though it is an external, there is a uh, attack active exploitation that is going on, and for even for the internal database server in attack exploitation is also going on. So by calculating all these values, it has been provided the direct risk, and based upon the direct risk it has been ranked, given the ranks. So looking at the ranks, the organization gets a decision that which is the asset risk uh, asset that need to consider earlier and not need to be patched. And here is the attack path, where attack path surface graph that has been seen here. So here it will going to provide which is the internet facing, which is the highest propagations that is having, and which is the internal or other non much exposed one details that can be seen here. So this completes the demo. Thank you.